Raghib Mustafayev, the lawyer for former military serviceman Ruslan Alikhanov, held a press conference today to inform people that the Supreme Court will hear the Alikhanov's cassation appeal on October 13th. The appeal was filed against the Judge 17, 2010 ruling of Appeals Court, which in turn upheld the February 26, 2010 judgment of the Grave Military Crimes Court. Alikhanov was sentenced to 12 years in jail after being found guilty under Article 274 high treason. He spent 2 years of his sentence in Gobistan jail before he was transferred to prison number 9. Alikhanov was arrested on May 13, 2009 when he was working at Ganja airport. The investigation claimed that Alikhanov was acting as a Russian spy, passing information about military cargo. According to his lawyer, Alikhanov was a signaler and didn't have access to information about military cargo. Ruslan Alikhanov served as a military officer in the Soviet Army in Ganja. He continued his service in the National Army after the Russian Army left Azerbaijan in 1993. His former Russian colleagues kept in touch with him and suggested that they cooperate offer later. Alikhanov went to the counterintelligence office about it and acted as a double agent with the consent of military command. In 2005, he was demobilized from the army. 4 years later, the local intelligence service accused him of espionage and arrested him. His lawyer claimed that there were legal violations during his arrest. The prisoner's sister, Kunara, said that her brother was beaten and was given injection of unknown solutions. According to the lawyer, his client doesn't have access to all the information surrounding his arrest, nor does he know that he was sentenced to 12 years in jail. There is no element of high treason in his actions, and no evidence was disclosed at trial to support this. The Alikhanov's family is now looking forward to Supreme Court decision.